When it comes to maintaining your home's roof, one crucial aspect often overlooked is roof ventilation. Proper ventilation not only extends the life of your roof but also improves the overall comfort and energy efficiency of your home. In Macomb, where the weather can range from hot and humid summers to cold and snowy winters, maintaining a properly ventilated roof is especially important. Without proper ventilation, your roof and attic could face issues like moisture buildup, excessive heat, and premature wear. Here's why roof ventilation is so essential, and how Roofing Macomb experts can help you ensure your roof functions optimally. Regulating temperature and preventing overheating. One of the primary functions of roof ventilation is to regulate the temperature inside your attic and roof. During the hot summers in Macomb, the sun can cause your attic to heat up significantly. If the heat inside your attic isn't allowed to escape, it can cause damage to your shingles, which are already exposed to the elements. Without proper airflow, your attic can become an oven, trapping heat and causing shingles to warp, crack, and even curl. With proper roof ventilation, hot air is allowed to escape through vents near the roof's peak, while cooler air enters through vents lower down, creating a continuous airflow. This helps maintain a stable temperature inside your attic, reducing the buildup of heat that can damage your roof and improve the overall comfort of your home. By installing vents like ridge vents, soffit vents, or gable vents, Roofing Macomb experts ensure your home stays cool in the summer, prolonging the life of your roofing materials and improving energy efficiency. Preventing moisture buildup and mold growth. In addition to temperature regulation, roof ventilation plays a key role in preventing moisture buildup inside your attic. During the winter months in Macomb, warm air from your living spaces rises into the attic, carrying moisture with it. If your attic is poorly ventilated, this moisture can become trapped, leading to the formation of condensation, which can accumulate on the underside of the roof decking. The trapped moisture can eventually cause mold and mildew growth, which can affect your home's air quality and lead to serious structural issues. Over time, this moisture can cause wood rot and compromise the integrity of your roof structure. Roof ventilation allows for the proper airflow that carries moisture away, preventing condensation from forming and keeping your attic dry. By having your roof properly ventilated, Roofing Macomb experts help you protect your home from the damaging effects of moisture buildup. Improving energy efficiency. Proper attic ventilation can significantly enhance the energy efficiency of your home. Without proper airflow, your attic traps heat, which can radiate into your living spaces, causing your air conditioning system to work overtime to cool the house. This leads to higher energy bills, particularly during the hot summer months in Macomb. With efficient roof ventilation, the heat in your attic escapes, making it easier to keep your home cool and reducing the load on your air conditioning system. Proper ventilation helps maintain consistent temperatures in your home, allowing your HVAC system to operate more efficiently. As a result, you'll enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment throughout the year. Protecting against ice dams in winter. In the winter, improperly ventilated attics can lead to ice dams on the roof. When heat accumulates in your attic, it causes the snow on the roof to melt, sending water down to the eaves. If the eaves are cold enough, this water refreezes, forming a dam of ice. Ice dams prevent proper water drainage, which can cause water to back up under the shingles and leak into your home. By installing proper roof ventilation, you can prevent the accumulation of heat in your attic, which reduces the chances of ice dam formation. Roofing Macomb professionals can ensure that your roof is ventilated in a way that helps prevent ice dams, protecting your roof and attic from water damage during the cold winter months. Extending the lifespan of your roof. Regularly maintaining proper roof ventilation not only protects your home from damage but also extends the lifespan of your roof. A roof that is adequately ventilated will experience less stress from extreme temperatures and moisture buildup, preventing the premature degradation of shingles, roof decking, and insulation. Over time, the lack of ventilation can lead to more significant issues, such as structural damage, roof leaks, or deterioration of the roofing materials, all of which can be costly to repair. By ensuring proper airflow through your attic and roof, Roofing Macomb experts help keep your roof in excellent condition, preventing premature repairs and replacements. How Roofing Macomb can help. Roofing Macomb is equipped with the expertise to evaluate your home's roof ventilation needs and provide tailored solutions to protect your home from weather-related damage. Whether you need to install soffit vents, ridge vents, or gable vents, the roofing professionals at Roofing Macomb can assess your current system and make the necessary upgrades to optimize your home's ventilation. With years of experience in the Macomb area, Roofing Macomb understands the unique challenges posed by the local climate. Their team will provide an expert inspection to determine if your roof's ventilation system is performing effectively or if upgrades are needed to ensure optimal airflow. Final thought. Proper roof ventilation is essential for protecting your home from the damaging effects of heat, moisture, and extreme weather conditions. In Macomb, where the weather can fluctuate between hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters, ensuring that your roof is well ventilated can save you money on energy bills, prevent structural damage, and extend the life of your roof. By working with Roofing Macomb, you can be confident that your roof is equipped to handle the elements, keeping your home comfortable, safe, and energy efficient. Whether you need a new roof installation, routine maintenance, or ventilation upgrades, Roofing Macomb experts are here to help you every step of the way.